सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू योर पीडीएफ प्लेटफॉर्म। सो आज का जो मेरा वीडियो है ये रिक्रूटमेंट से रिलेटेड है। रिक्रूटमेंट स्पेशली फॉर द नॉन इंजीनियरिंग डोमेन्स। वाई वी आर कवरिंग दिस नॉन इंजीनियरिंग डोमेन्स? बिकॉज this is a platform where we provide you the services for the group discussion, group task and interview, and especially for these domains like HR, law officer, for marketing, for management. Candidates prepare with your PDF. So now I am going to cover this advertisement. What this covered advertisement is all about. This is related to the Navratna public sector. This is NHPC Limited, this Navratna public sector. So here is the recruitment for the training officer, HR, PR, law and senior medical officer. And this recruitment is for NHPC Limited and it's a joint venture. So it is basically a combined recruitment, right? So it is for the training officer, HR, PR, law and senior medical officer. What is the minimum education qualification requirement is there? So it is mentioned over here. Now let us move to the this number of vacancies. Total vacancies are 118. For the HR, it is what is CYV? This is current year vacancies and BL is basically backlog vacancies. So current year is 64 and 01 and this is 06. So NSDC is basically the subsidiary of NHPC, the combined recruitment which we discussed earlier. Na? So total HR vacancies are 7. For PR it is 10. For law it is 12. For senior medical officer it is 22 and 25. So total there are 118 vacancies. Now come to that how they are going to recruit for that. There is a procedure that how they will take the recruitment process. So recruitment is basically on the basis of their examination which normally they go for that. This is a qualifying exam on the basis of which you have to apply for that. For HR it is UGC NET of December 2023 और जून 2024, क्योंकि जो नेट का एग्जाम होता है यूजीसी नेट का एग्जाम साल में 2 बार होता है, तो जिसने दिसंबर 2023 या 2024 में क्वालिफाई किया हो वो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सिमिलरली फॉर पीआर ऑल्सो एंड सिमिलरली फॉर लॉ. For the law, the recruitment is on the basis of CLAT PG 2024. So this is subject code. This is for mass communication journalism वाले ही PR के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. For this is the subject code is 55. तो आप लोग ये अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अब इसमें जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है about the qualification, about the criteria and everything that you can go through this advertisement. I will put the link in the description of this video also. लेकिन जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है वो ये है को जो इसका सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर है, दैट इज द क्राइटेरिया इज बेसिकली फॉर द शॉर्टलिस्टिंग. नाउ व्हाट इज द क्राइटेरिया टू बेसिकली गेट सेलेक्टेड? नाउ द क्राइटेरिया इज, नाउ दिस इज द क्राइटेरिया. वेटेज टू द यूजीसी नेट, दिस इज फॉर द 3 vacancies of HR, PR and law. The weightage for the written examination marks is 75%. And then group discussion will be there and PI will be there, personal interview will be there. So the weightage for that is 25%. Now the important thing, just watch this very carefully. Important thing is that there will be no cutoff for qualifying marks for the group discussion. Group discussion में आप जितने भी नंबर लोगे, आप मिनिमम ले रहे हो मैक्सिमम ले रहे हो, तो उसका आपका कट ऑफ पे मतलब उसका आपका फाइनल मेरिट पे रिलेशन नहीं है. लेकिन सी व्हाट दे हैव मेंशन, कैंडिडेट शैल बी कंसीडर्ड फॉर एम्पैनलमेंट इफ दे obtain the qualifying percentage as mentioned below. Minimum percentage of marks you have to score in the GD and interview combined. Only GD qualifying नहीं है, लेकिन GD और इंटरव्यू के कंबाइन के मार्क्स जो है वो क्वालिफाइंग है. फॉर अनरिजर्व्ड EWC और EWS OBC कैंडिडेट इट इज 40%. लेट अस टेक दिस GD and interview marks are, let us take 25 marks. So 25 marks is combined. So 25% marks of 40%, 25 multiplied by 4, so 10 marks. So minimum out of 25 marks, minimum 10 marks you have to take to get into the final merit list. If you do not score well, I mean, let us suppose out of this 25 marks, let us suppose GD is of 10 marks and 15 marks is of interview. Let us suppose you take 3 marks in the GD and let us suppose you take 8 marks in the interview. So 3 marks is the criteria combined. 8 plus 3 means 11, means you are above 10 marks. Means now you will be put in the merit list, but it doesn't mean that you will be get final selection. It is not like that. After that एक merit list बनेगा और उस merit list में अगर आपका जो इतना number of vacancies इसमें mention किया हुआ है, अगर उसमें आपका नाम आता है, then only you will be get selected. So this is the procedure. ये बहुत important चीज है. And for the other categories SC, ST, PWBD, it is 30%. तो minimum आपको इतने marks जो है वो लाने important है. For senior medical officer, the parameters are your qualification, MBBS, PG, your experience, then group discussion, interview marks. So group discussion interviews clearly mentioned there how much percentage, again qualifying minimum qualifying marks for this is 40% and for the SC ST PWD is 30%, तो इतना मिनिमम। और यहाँ पे जो मार्क्स है वो 30 है, यहाँ पे मार्क्स मेंशन किए, यहाँ पे परसेंटेज मेंशन किया और यहाँ पे ये मेंशन नहीं किया कि कितने मार्क्स का वो होगा, राइट। सो एवरीबडी इज हैविंग द चांसेस। अब यहाँ पे डाउट आएगा दिमाग में, सर कितना यूजीसी नेट स्कोर वाले को अप्लाई करना चाहिए, किसको नहीं करना चाहिए, सर कॉल आ जाएगा, देन अगेन यू विल बी हैविंग द डाउट कि सर मेरे तो मार्क्स बहुत ज्यादा कम है, मेरे तो मार्क्स इतने हैं, तो मेरा फाइनल सिलेक्शन में कितना प्रोबेबिलिटी है, चांसेस क्या है। क्लियरली मेंशन है दैट इट इज क्वालिफाइंग। अगर तुम्हारा कंबाइंड मार्क्स, लेट अस सपोज योर रैंक इन जीडी दिस यूजीसी नेट इज, लेट अस सपोज इट इज 1 in the written examination, in the CLAT it is 1. Now what about the GDN interview? If you do not perform well in the GDN interview and if your marks, combined marks are less than this 40% or 30% depending upon your category, you will not be get selected. Now if you want to prepare for the GDN interview, you know that this Yourpedia is India's biggest platform who prepare you for GDN interview. So you can join Yourpedia and you can go for the mock sessions of GDN interview, because the only way to prepare for the GD is going for the mock session and interview, especially the introduction HR part is very very important. Why you want to join NHPC? Why not any other organization? Why not this? Why not that? So many questions are there for which you have to go for the as much as mock sessions as possible. Still, if you are having any query related to this, you can call us directly. Thank you.